few weeks ago, I laid down tarp in this area of what used to be the lawn in my backyard, and I was hoping that the sun would help solarize the area and kill off the weeds and any remaining grass that keeps trying to come back up. So let's remove the tarp and take a look and see what it looks like. So here is the patch that I allocated for my dried flower farming, and I'm really hoping that the weeds and grass are going to be yellow and easy to remove. Okay, moment of truth. And darn it, it doesn't really look like it did anything. It looks almost exactly the same as before when I put the tarp over it. For the solarization to have actually worked, I probably would have needed a darker tarp, or maybe it just wasn't hot enough for it to actually work. So unfortunately, because the solarization did not work as well as I hoped it would, it is time to hoe it up. So this tool is pretty good, but it is also a lot easier to remove the weeds and grass than I thought it was going to be, so I am really glad for that, but I am just going to keep working on clearing this area. Okay, I am all done, and I am pretty pleased with how this looks, and I am so glad that even though the solarization didn't work, that it wasn't hard to remove. So the next thing that I need to do is I need to amend this soil, and then I can transplant.